Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. So first you need to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. If you don't have updated it, you can go to your Google Play Store and update the Instagram application. Here you have to log into your account and go to your profile. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner. And then here what you're going to do next is you have to locate settings and privacy. Now you need to scroll down here till you see the option your app and media. And then here you have to look for the accessibility feature. So tap on the accessibility feature. You have to click this one and you will see the option here, a dark mode. So you will see three options. Just tap on a dark mode right here. Click this one. And then to enable, you need to tap the on option right here. Click this one or select this one. And it will turn or enable your Instagram into a dark mode. Now you can change this anytime by going back to the accessibility feature and then switch this to light theme. If ever you encounter some problems when it comes to switching to dark mode, you can now exit your Instagram and go to your Google Play Store and look for Instagram and update it. So how are you going to do that? Just exit Instagram, go to Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. And if you see an update button right here, once you search Instagram, then you need to just tap on the update button or option. And basically, that's how easy it is to enable dark mode on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.